A student asks, 49 plus 51 equals 50 plus 50. So, is it true that 49 times 51 equals 50 times 50? Well, you have the same numbers, but you're using different operations. One is multiplication, and the other is going to be addition. In addition, you're just adding the given numbers. For example, let's say Joey has 3 cookies and Emily has 5. You're going to solve how many they have total. Well, there's 3 cookies plus the 5, and you add them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total, there are 8 cookies. But with multiplication, you're doing so many groups of something. So let's say you have 3 boys with 5 cookies each. You have your 3 groups, or your 3 boys with the 5 cookies each. And multiplication is repeated addition. So basically we're going to add 5 3 times. So we have 15 cookies total. So 3 groups of 5 is 15. When you're adding 49 and 51, you're just adding the numbers up. So 1 plus 9 is 10, carry the 1. 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 1. It's 10, so 100. 50 plus 50, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5 is 10, gives us 100. But for multiplication, you're going to use the groups of the numbers. So one group of 9 is 9, one group of 4 is 4. Go to the tens place, 5 groups of 9 is 45, carry the 4. 5 groups of 4 is 20 plus 4, 24. And we'll add those up, and we will get 2,499. Now 50 groups of 50, or 50 times 50. 0 groups of 0, 0, 0 groups of 5, 0. Move to the tens place, 5 groups of 0, 0, 5 groups of 5 is 25. Gives us 2,500. Now we have these place value markers. This flat represents 100, this long represents 10, and the single unit represents 1. Now 49 will be represented with 4 longs because there are 4 tens in 49. And then we're going to use 9 single units because there are 9 ones in 49. And then 51 will be represented with 5 longs because there are 5 tens in 51, and 1 single unit because there's 1 1 in 51. And if we look at this, we have 9 singles and 1 single. And if we bring them together, if we add them together, we get 10, which is represented by a long. And if we add all the longs together, we get 10 longs, which result in a flat, which represents 100. Now 50 will be represented by 5 longs because there are 5 tens and 50, and no singles because there are no ones. And then do the same for the other 50 with 5 longs. And if we add those together, we have 10 longs, which is represented by a flat, which represents 100. And if you look at one of these longs, you can break it into ones, where you will see your 9 ones from your 49 and your 1 1 from your 51 to show that these two equations do equal. And if we look at our multiplication, we have 49 groups of 51. So basically we would have to add 51 49 times. And 50 groups of 50, we would have to add 50 50 times. So these numbers are not related to each other in the operation of multiplication. Therefore, 49 times 51 will not equal 50 times 50.